الدين ما يهزم، واللي فجر زمزم والعيش ما يلزم إن كان
From beholding your beauty, Allahu Allah. Oh my Lord, accept this plea, Allahu Allah. Hasbi Rabbi Jallallah, Allahu Allah. Ma fi qalbi ghayrullah, Allahu Allah.
Salam everyone. Ramadan Kareem to everyone. I hope that God, blesses your month and lets you achieve your personal goals and grants you whatever prayer you pray for, as long as it's good for you. Ramadan's an amazing time with family and lots of dinner parties, and you connect and you unite and you do all these things together, and it's a month of family. But I want to put it on your heart that you would please remember that for a lot of converts, it's actually the loneliest time of the year. So please make them feel included, but don't make them feel like they're a charity case. I don't know how to put it in any different way. So don't just be there because it's Ramadan and you think you're gonna get a great reward, which inshallah you will, but be inclusive. And we have unity in Islam, which is so important, and just be their friend. They don't need anything else from you, just to be their friends. And now, to all the converts out there, I know it can get really lonely. I mean, I've done it. I fasted alone for 5 years or 6 years even, almost, and prayed every prayer alone, woke up for suhoor alone, ate iftar alone. So I know it can get really lonely, but alhamdulillah, for me, I've always been kind of a loner, so it didn't really bother me. But I know not everyone is like that. So divert that energy into, just remember why you're doing what you're doing. And actually, I have a lot of girls messaging me that it's their first Ramadan and they're so scared and they're so anxious and stuff like that. My first Ramadan ever was with Fajr being at 2 o'clock and the time to break fast was 10:40 p.m. I thought I'm gonna be the first Muslim in the world who can definitely not fast, because it's not normal. And I was completely alone. No one even knew I was fasting, so I was fasting in secret, actually. But actually that was one of my best Ramadans ever, just because I had that intention that I tried so hard, and I was so I hope that God accepts it, that kind of innocence and purity that you're just doing something for the first time and you're scared to do it wrong and all that will never come back. So make the most out of that time. This is your faith is so strong right now, so it's a blessing. So just make the most of it, and don't kind of think about the whole community thing, and inshallah you're gonna find a nice community and everything else is gonna fall together soon. Yeah, so I don't know what else to tell you. Anyway, I thought maybe it helps you that I know what it's like, and just most of us now, we struggle, we have to really focus, okay, I have to make the most out of Ramadan, and it's easy to fall into the habit of things, while you are in a blessed position that your purity and sincerity of the heart is amazing at this point. So that being said, for me, for example, I have my own family now, alhamdulillah. I feel I have to take care of other converts. It's not vice versa or anything, but my best friend Ishraq, still every single day she's who are you having first iftar with? Make sure you're not alone at the iftar. Who are you going to pray with? So it's very nice to have friends like that, and they are the ones who are always going to be in your prayer and in your heart and in your soul. So those are real friends, so may we be them, inshallah, to everybody else, and thereby build a sense of community more than ever during this Ramadan. Yep, that was my little message out to you, because I did vlog about this before, but I take long to edit, so I just wanted to put it out there. Anyway, everyone, Ramadan Kareem. I love you. Bye. Salam.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Maryam from the US, and I just wanted to say Ramadan Mubarak.
Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem. Ramzan Naat. From Kurdistan, Iraq. Ramadan Kareem.
Happy Ramadan.
Ramadan!
Happy Ramadan.
Happy
Happy Ramadan.
And I'd like to say happy Ramadan to everybody that's out there, God love.
Happy Ramadan. Just like to wish you a happy Ramadan. Good luck with the fasting.
Happy Ramadan.
And I want to wish everyone a happy Ramadan.
Have a great time. Enjoy the feast when it finally comes, and peace to everyone.
To all our Muslim friends all over the world, happy Ramadan to all of you guys.
Yeah, that's right. Happy Ramadan, guys.